Hey Mom, happy Mother's Day. Stephen here. I wanted to just create this quick video because it is Mother's Day, and I wanted to just say how grateful I am for my mom, Sylvia, and all the moms out there that make the world a better place. You see, the world is toxic. We are just told about how nuts the world is, but we're not toxic. You're not toxic. You are amazing. And to all the amazing moms out there that are creating a truly free world and a truly free home, we love you, we appreciate you, and you know what, we acknowledge you. I look at my amazing wife, or even my single mom that raised, two punk boys in the South Bronx to now building a world-changing movement. Moms always don't get the acknowledgement and the gratitude that they deserve. So there's nothing to sell in this video, there's no new product launch, there's no great deal of the day. It's just a quick note to say your friends, your family right here at Truly Free, acknowledge what a great job you're doing as a mom, making your home truly free, telling your friends, your family about freedom, right? Living a truly free life, and it's more than just cleaning products. We are a movement, and it's a movement full of great moms and dads, but today's all about moms just like you that are making the world a better place, one home at a time. So friends, I love you, I appreciate you, hope you're having an amazing Mother's Day. And for all you moms out there, thank you so much for making the world a better place. All right, friends, I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.